Now, as India gasps for oxygen, the Supreme Court will be holding another hearing on suo motu cognizance of this COVID situation in the country. In a brief hearing on Thursday, the Apex Court noted that the situation across the country was grim and asked the Modi government to submit a plan to ensure smooth supply of oxygen, supply of essential drugs, method of vaccination. In fact, the Supreme Court's observations here comes a day after the Delhi High Court slammed the central government over oxygen crisis, asking the government to ensure 480 metric ton of oxygen to Delhi. Several states across the country have now stated that they have a shortage of oxygen and have appealed to the Prime Minister Modi to ensure that there is sufficient supply at the earliest. Let me quickly cut across to Nalini joining us live for more details on that. Nalini, if you can give us an insight into exactly what the Supreme Court will be hearing. We understand Supreme Court has now taken suo motu cognizance owing to the crisis in the country. It's worse than last year. That's precisely why we see the Apex Court now stepping in and wrapping the government.
Well, Nabila, no doubt it's an important day today before the CJI-led bench, not only because they're going to be taking up this matter, but also because it's the last working day of the current Chief Justice of India, Justice S.A. Bobde. So today is the last day when he'll be serving as the Chief Justice of India, and this very important matter is listed before his bench today. Yesterday, the Supreme Court three-judge bench headed by him had asked the central government to file a report on various aspects regarding the coronavirus crisis, including the method and the manner of vaccination for all people across the country, along with this very important crisis of the supply of oxygen to various state by various manufacturers. Now, the main reason why the Supreme Court had gone ahead and taken suo motu cognizance in the first place was because the Supreme Court said that there were multiple high courts in the country that were actually passing contradictory orders, understandably because each high court was looking after their own state. So to bring in some uniformity is why the Supreme Court decided to take matters into their own hands. But at the same time, they've clarified that they don't want to trample upon the jurisdiction of the High Court, and the High Court can continue hearing this matter, but the Supreme Court is also going to be looking into important aspects of this entire coronavirus crisis. Now, 4 points, major points, is why the Supreme Court's taken suo motu cognizance on. One is, of course, the method and manner of vaccination. One is, of course, the supply of oxygen to various states across the country, because there are problems that are being caused in the interstate travel of this oxygen, where the oxygen is being stopped at the borders, like we saw even for Delhi yesterday. In addition to that, the Supreme Court is also going to be taking a report from the central government on these various aspects today. So it's going to be a very important hearing. More importantly, because we'll have to wait and see exactly what the central government comes forth and says.
Absolutely. And it's now time for the government to give out a proper plan on exactly how they're going to tackle the crisis across the country. Thank you, Nalini, for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.